We the king meets the king. Uko UK biggest newspapers all report to say King Charles the king of Buckingham Palace. The king of UK, as a matter of fact, United Kingdom, the UK's royal family, the head, King Charles, Buckingham Palace, Edodini Juma, Mobagana, Asante Hene, Tisedio, no so mention. Kotoko hene akopiem ɛwɔ United Kingdom ɛna the young prɛko King Charles ɛmana kwaba into the UK na ɔhene kɛseɛ ne Syria no kra ne kumi no so ɔhu enti aha sei no the royal family in the posti we ɔsɛ the king welcomes Asante Hene, ruler of the kingdom of Asante in Ghana, to the Sandringham House. His Royal Majesty Otumfuo 62 is currently in the UK as part of his silver celebration. Let's just say Omuchemu say Otumfuo 62 Asante Hene Kotoko Hene currently or UK are as part of the 25th anniversary now ekoso this year no and then akopiem ewo UK and on the yonko prekope King Charles edika subum ewo ho matters on be discuss it there ebebre matters of supreme interest of both ends exchange programs near there we are brother King Asia the executive council of the UK hono mpanyifo kakra omo hono ena omo hwe nkrata mu kakra tumfo say tutu osaye krachi ni pa hano ena oha ugina senior most guys be mfimfia etese netese enyasem ketwa kra tumfo say tutu Asante Hene Kotoko Hene piao ana unkwaso ahanso ana Otumfuo in the midst of senior executives of the Buckingham Palace. Yes, UK for mfa hene ni agro intimi hu ni said UK ne Asante ne de relation ne tight sa pepepe na Kotoko Asante Kotoko. How great Asante Kotoko tie no sanity Kotoko a great and small club Otumfuo Nyankopon nhia Asante Kotoko.